It is going to be a big day for Indian athletes and sportspersons as India looks to end its Olympic exile and overturn its Olympic ban. We will be getting you all the updates today from Lausanne, and here is what you can expect in that meeting.
Indian athletes could well start dreaming of winning a medal at international events yet again. Times Now has accessed the Indian delegation's strategy for the all-important meet with the IOC. A concrete roadmap for India's re-entry into the Olympic fold will be drawn out in a joint meeting between the IOA and the IOC. The Sports Ministry delegation will then assure the IOC of good governance and reforms, after which a final decision is expected in a meeting with the IOC president. India's Olympic gold medalist Abhinav Bindra will voice the opinions of his fellow athletes.
We'd like to see that India is back in the Olympic fold as soon as possible, and we work towards solving the matter in a way in which Indian sport can truly progress.
Sources also tell Times Now that Indian delegation will promise new IOA elections and changes will be made to the IOA constitution in accordance with the IOC guidelines. To ensure no outside influence, the IOC will be asked to send an observer. But attempts are still being made by a few to stall India's Olympic return. However, members of the Indian delegation are confident of a favourable outcome.
No, I think the case is pretty straightforward and everyone's well prepared. There is only one aim, to get India back into the Olympics, and the meeting is happening. So, yeah, whatever the speculations and everything else, you can forget it. It's all happening and there's only one aim, to get India back.
The IOC is keen that IOA adheres to the age and tenure clause and re-elections are held in adherence to the IOC Sports Code. If the Indian representation is able to convince the IOC, Indian athletes will be living their Olympic dream once again. Sports Bureau, Times Now.